Zombie Steve here, and today we look at more Thomas the Trains. Whoa! And today we look at Thomas Wood set, and this is called Lift and Cargo set. Ooh, I can't wait to look at this. This is going to be so cool. Open, open, blah, 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 blah. Yes, yeah. Oh, I can't wait to play with. Get out of there. Blah, blah, blah. Ooh. Oh, everything is so woody and so cooly. Ooh, and we have to put this together. Oh, so many tracks. Put together. This track's connected to this track. This track's connected to this track. And this track's connected to this track. Ooh, we can do this all day long. So cool. Ooh, before we look at pieces, let's look at the train pieces! Ah, cool! Look at that! I think there's 4 in all. We get 1 train piece, 2 train piece, 3 train piece. Wait a minute. That's a person! That's not a train piece. Oh, well, let's open it up and see what we get. Oh, and the first one is, that's Charlie. Look, and it even says Charlie on the side. Oh, cool! We get purple Charlie. We get, a cargo piece that opens up. Oh, super cool. And this is the cargo. Oh, it makes sounds. Sounds like rattlesnake. And then second piece is, that comes up too. And then we got face. Oh, wait a minute, this has face too. Oh man, look at all the faces on the trains. Oh, that is so cool. And of course, we get this guy. That's so cool. And then we get this piece, and hey, we can put that guy in there. But wait a minute, there's no Thomas. Oh, we need Thomas. Oh, and we've got 2 extra pieces right here. Oh, we got a Thomas in a package. Oh, cool. So we can put him with this set. Neato. Ooh, super cool Thomas. And the other figure is Rosie. Oh, Rosie is cute. So neat. Look at that face. Oh, freckles on face. And boop, boop. Okay, me take you. Me take you. And Thomas, here, you take the girl. Okay, let's go. Now that we've done that, let's look at the pieces. Oh, cool, we get this little crane piece with this that goes back and forth. Oh, look at this. This comes down, I think. Oh, cool. And, we use this to put it back up. Oh, neat. And we got a track switcher. Switch. Oh, cool. Switch. Little tough to switch it, but we'll fix that. And then we get this piece right here, which, I'm not sure what that does yet. But, we got all these track pieces. And we got to finish putting these together. Ooh, cool. All right, let's put it together. Oh, cool. It's all put together. Oh, so cool. Ooh, now we need trains, and we play with the playset. All right, Rosie, you're up first. Time to get your friend. Ching, ching. And we'll go up the ramp. Here we go. Cool. And look at the first area we come to. It's this little thing right here. Oh, neato. So let's pull this little train in here. Oh, and up top, we've got this switch. And if we press it, cool. The cargo fell on the cargo train. Let's see it again. Press switch and down the cargo train it goes. That's so cool. Choo-choo, here we come. Blah, 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 blah. Choo-choo. Chugga, 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 choo-choo. And, wait a minute, we can't go. The switch needs to be turned. That means we must turn the switch. Dip, 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 dip. All right, now we go. So cool. Neato. Okay, now it's Thomas's turn. Yay. All right, get the cargo cart and go up the track. All right, and now it's time to get more cargo. Time to hit the switch. And cargo falls in train. So cool. And there we go. Bye-bye, Thomas. Have fun with your cargo. Choo-choo, chugga, 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 choo-choo. Wait a minute. What is this? Oh, cool. This is that crane thing. Oh, So we have to put person in top so she can operate it. But be careful, she'll fall out. Okay, get in there. Ooh, now we'll turn crane on back of it. Oh, cool. Oh, it hooked up to the cargo. And, oh, it lifts. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's so cool. It's on there. Cool. Now we drive away. Oh, but look, there's Rosie. She's meeting up with her friends, which is Charlie and Thomas. Choo-choo-choo. But uh-oh, I think Rosie here is getting a little jealous. Oh, where are you going? Oh, there she is. Oh, wait a minute, she's got one cargo. Oh, she's got two cargo trains. What the heck? Oh, where's she going? Oh, she's going to that crane lift. What are you doing there, Rosie? Oh, wait a minute. I know. You want this crane to get the cargo. I know it all. Oh, look how happy Rosie is now. Choo-choo. All right, goodbye. All right, there it is. The super cool lift and load cargo set, Thomas Train. We love Thomas Trains. Super cool. Ooh, if we play toys, you subscribe. We play. Play. Subscribe.